This is the Tybee model by Pulte. This is their 3-car garage home. This is the model as the one that is currently being built in the community will be ready in July. As you enter, you see the staircase has tile flooring. A fun under the stairway closet space, perfect for storage or a Harry Potter playroom, reading nook. The 3-car garage, extremely spacious and ample room for adding overhead storage. Beautiful open living plan. This does have impact windows and glass throughout, quartz countertops. GE Whirlpool appliances. Here is the guest bath, tub shower combo, and the downstairs bedroom. Perfect for guests. This is a 5-bedroom home. We're going to go up the stairs. Spacious loft area. Here's a shared bath. That's to the left as you go up the stairs, and then we have 2 bedrooms next to each other. Here is the owner's retreat. Quartz countertops, double vanities, nice walk-in shower, and a very spacious closet. An additional linen closet there. Of course, you can choose your lot if you wish to build. Here's the laundry room. And another hallway closet. And this would be the 5th bedroom. They have it set up as an office. Very cute. This is the Mystique model at Lakespur. It's also their sales office. The one that is currently under construction will be ready in July. Very nice designer laminate flooring. Shared guest bath and Here we are at Lakespur. Here's the playground. And they have a dog park for your furry friends. A nice pergola for picnics. And here's the community pool. It's all included in your amenities. Nice sized pool and cabanas. And you can see where they have community activities under the covered pavilion there. It has an outdoor TV and fireplace. Very nice.